them lucky, me still a full up for them laundry. How about that, girl? What's up, my pity them just cut. How about that? Wait there. I want condom this. No, Rajia! Rajia! Rajia!
Yeah, Mom?
Don't yeah, mom me nothing. Come here.
Yeah, Mom?
Rajia, you know what I'm finding at the laundry?
What'd you find?
Rajia, what this?
A condom?
Rajia, one condom that?
Yeah.
Is your one?
That's not mine.
So who for one then? Am I
It's not mine,
Am
Mom.
I one then?
It's not mine.
Can I who for condom that,
Mom,
Rajia?
I swear to
Don't
you,
lie to me, no, Rajia.
I'm not lying.
Don't lie to me, no,
I'm
this
not
is why.
lying.
You don't make call your father. Move! Leroy! 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 Come here now. What take you so long?
Mom, I'm in the soccer.
No, you have to find in a Rajia clothes.
Mom,
Come here now.
Mom, look at big boy now, man.
See that, but find that in I'm clothes and I tell me son of him one.
I feel this?
For eat, yeah, I'm saying I don't feel one.
Yeah.
Dad, it's not
Hey,
mine.
Rajia?
Rajia, I feel condom this, Rajia.
Rajia, I know you're one this.
If
eh?
Yeah.
Then I must my one then, right?
Boy.
Then I must my one.
No. You know, yes, Rajia, because the way
Maybe
you did
yes, Rajia.
No, because the boy,
not in my
No,
house.
the boy always wear them look a tight pants. So I don't know if the
Rajia, you can barely fold your laundry.
Yeah,
Rajia, you can't even do your own clothes. You can't
No,
even wash
it's
your...
alright. Don't get upon the boy there.
It's alright, what?
No, it's
How about this? How about this? It's
Mom.
not one at my house.
It's not mine.
So Rajia,
Yes,
yeah, tell
Mom.
me, I know you're one this.
It's not mine.
I know you're a condom this.
It's not mine.
So I
Mom.
must my
It's
one.
not
eh?
mine.
I must my condom this. Me look like me need them some here. You see you boy, you love lying up.
What is
No,
all
you're
this?
one this.
Oh my
This people no. He can't.
That's mine. Whoopsies.
Right here. Are you one that?
Yeah, Mom, it's mine.
Oh, well, you know what? At least you're protected.
Wait,
Oh,
really?
I-
I feel something that.
Dad, I'm 25. Like,
Come
I'm.
on.
25, it don't matter. You're grounded. Eh? You're grounded till you're dead.
She
You know.
grounded or she grounded? Which
I the same thing. Renee, no.
Renee's alright. Just make sure you're
No, she alright. No, she's a local girl. She never have them something there.
She a big woman. She all of that, right? She.
No, but I'm a boy, people no matter.
So what?
So what?
Renee, just make sure when you go, you just take your time and you come when you reach it. Alright, babes?
Dad, stop being so
Look at girl.
That's what I thought.
I take back as. She only sit the cartel and sit up on body like chair.
It's alright. She's a big woman.
She don't have.
I can't bother with this one.
Hey, don't touch it. Don't look at body business. Go ahead. No man fi touch me. Nastiness.
Dad. Dad. Dad.
You know, I just find out the laundry.
What'd you find?
Shit.
Give me this again.
No, it's
How
all
about this? How about this? It's
Mom.
not one at my house. My young.
sorry.
Relax now. It's
No,
alright.
but- no.
It's alright. Just go and take your time.
No, but she got a little girl. She can't go out there and have them type of.
So we're there. So it's alright when Rajia didn't have when Rajia didn't do what Emma do.
No, but
it's
Emma
a
do-
problem when she do it.
No, but I'm a boy pitney.
So what? So what?
It's alright when Leroy or Rajay.
I'm like, Leroy.